So finally React has published React 18 Alpha so that users can try it and provide feedback. Till now they are working on React 18 release, which will be their next major version. So if you are curious about React 18, let's jump into it. So now the main thing is that what's coming in React 18. Out of the box, React 18 will include like the new root API, start transition API, strict effects, SSR improvements, and suspense. So now let's install React at first. After the installation, now we have to update it to React 18 Alpha. For that, the first command we have to write is npm install react at alpha. As you can see on the dependencies, React has updated to Alpha 18. Now we have to update the React DOM. For that, on the terminal, we have to write npm install react DOM at alpha. Finally, React has upgraded to Alpha 18. Now at first, the new root API comes. On the older version, we write it as react DOM.render, where we have to keep our app component on the middle of the strict mode. But on the new root API, we have to write it as const root equal to react DOM.create root document.getElement by id is root, where we put the app component on the root.render. And now we have access to all the new React 18 features. At second comes the start transition API. React has introduced a new API that helps keeping our app responsive even during long screen updates. Building apps that feel fluid and responsive is not always easy. Sometimes small action like clicking a button or typing into can cause a lot of happen on screen. This can cause page to freeze. So therefore, the new API lets us to improve the interactions by making special updates like transitions. At third comes the strict effect. As React will ship strict mode along with strict effects, just like strict mode, this would be for development build. At fourth comes the SSR improvements. Server-side rendering is getting an architectural importance in the release, including improvement on first loading screen time. At React 17, SSR had to load the entire page before it can start, but this changes in React 18. Now we can break the React 18 component into smaller chunks using suspense. At last comes the suspense. As the name suggests, suspense component lets us wait for some code to load and declaratively specify a loading step. As you can see on the pic, on React 18, suspense will be mainly used for server-side rendering. As browser had to load the JavaScript and hydrate the entire page, suspense may speed up the process gradually.